Die annually worldwide. The Israeli company Beewise aims to save these insects from extinction and prevent global starvation. Their robotic hives have already aided around 150 million bees, significantly reducing mortality rates by 80%. Beekeepers are reaping the benefits too, with a 50% increase in honey production and 90% less workload. These robotic hives regulate temperature and even purify the air if detecting harmful chemicals. Beewise experts are pioneers in using artificial intelligence algorithms, computer vision, and other advanced technologies to safeguard bees. It's no wonder this robot hive made it to Time's Best Inventions of 2020. Not the most imaginative name, but the creativity went elsewhere. This robot tackles weeds using robotic arms and lasers. It's equipped with 14 cameras, a dual GPS system, and solar panels. Robot 1 has a margin of error of about 2 mm, and it works on multiple beds simultaneously, thanks to its 3.5-meter extendable track. In just an hour, Robot 1 can clear an entire hectare of weeds. These are repellents that protect crops from birds. Their repellents are so good that they have customers as far as South Korea. These devices offer simple smartphone control and are incredibly effective, reducing bird presence by over 70%. To keep the birds from getting used to it, you can choose from 16 beam patterns and set up to 250 waypoints on its route. Unlike gas and noise repellents, this one works quietly and is effective up to a range of 1.5 kilometers. Here, you not only need to count, but also label, weigh, and move sheep around. How can this process be quicker and simpler? Well, the Canadian company Lakeland has found a solution with their SG400 and SG500, the finest portable enclosures out there. It takes just 2 people to handle them efficiently, and the design is also goat-friendly. The kit includes everything you need, even scales. Back in 2017, there were around 1.2 billion sheep worldwide, so there's plenty of work to go around. Three times faster than its counterparts. According to this American company, this is what the revolution in irrigation looks like. Watering potatoes, carrots, and other crops is not only simpler, but also more high-tech. Farmers can access all the necessary data through a tablet or smartphone. If there's a sudden need to head out for business, no worries. Irrigation can be controlled from anywhere worldwide. Additionally, farmers receive tips for optimizing yields. The reliability of Lindsay Irrigation system is top-notch, partly because the pipe walls are 10% thicker than those of competitors. The eShepherd system to eliminate concerns about animals wandering off or the need for fencing pastures. The process is straightforward. Owners place special collars on the animals and then set virtual pasture boundaries through the app. And that's it. The animals can graze freely. If a cow attempts to go beyond the set boundary, it hears an audible warning and receives an electric pulse. Powered by solar energy, the collars equipped with GPS modules allow the herd to be easily tracked on an online map. spoil. Why go through the hassle of driving, spending on gas and unloading them, when you can set up a farm right outside the store? That's what the Israeli team at Vertical Field offers. They've designed vertical farms the size of a shipping container, capable of growing around 50 types of greens and herbs, plus 6 varieties of mushrooms. In the future, they plan to add strawberries to the mix. These farms are highly profitable, needing 90% less water and land than traditional farms. Plus, crops can be harvested every 2 or 3 days. Forget about smartphones. What the world truly needs is a 100% autonomous electric tractor, and Monarch delivers just that. This is the world's first tractor of its kind, with the ability to boost engine power from 40 to 70 horsepower, functioning as a generator. It analyzes plant status, evaluates yields, field conditions, and more, and it displays all information on your smartphone. The coolest feature is the follow mode, where the tractor recognizes gestures and trails behind the owner like a loyal dog. Concept from 2016, boasting 419 horsepower. Case IH aims to gauge farmers' interest before making a decision about refining and releasing the product. These are the world's first tractors that run on liquefied natural gas, providing the same power as diesel engines while reducing emissions by up to 80%. Wheels. Agricultural machinery, to be exact. Among their offerings is this noteworthy Rake. The top-notch ERS22 version not only lets you adjust the angle up to 90 degrees, but also boasts an impressive working width of 12 meters. If this rake stood upright, it could reach up to the 4th floor. The 150cm diameter discs are quite imposing. They might fit right into the next saw installment. Despite its formidable appearance, working with the rake is quite easy, thanks to the ST system, ensuring optimal trajectory as it follows the tractor. Consider getting Run Chicken, the best smart coupe door in the United States. It opens and closes automatically, 20 minutes after sunrise and sunset, and is powered by a solar panel. Providing protection from rain, wind, and predators, this door is truly smart, customizable right from your smartphone. New to the game, dealing with everything from creating new insecticides to arranging grain storage systems. Aeration, ventilation, pressure monitoring, and control are crucial factors to prevent grain spoilage and protect it against rodents or insects. In one video, there's a hands-on demonstration of working with phosphine, a colorless poisonous gas effective for disinfecting grain. Overall, GRDC is dedicated to enhancing the efficiency of grain storage facilities and reducing costs. It's no wonder Australia is one of the world's major wheat exporters. Same idea, but for an apartment. In this case, the farm is the size of a small fridge, with the slogan Nespresso for homegrown plants and herbs. Basil, cabbage, and other delights sprout from pods resembling coffee pods. Natufia goes the extra mile. Their seeds meet the strict international Demeter standard. You can grow 32 plants simultaneously. The farm operates on hydroponics, with sensors monitoring temperature, humidity, and other parameters. The farm takes care of its water and nutrient supply on its own. GRIMME GF400, a German rotary tiller loaded with benefits. Firstly, depending on the setup, it operates up to 3.9 meters wide. Secondly, the cutter is easily adaptable for ridge compaction. Thirdly, it seamlessly pairs with a planting machine, easing the driver's workload. Plus, it's the toughest rotary tiller around, fitting tractors up to 500 horsepower. Many young locals have been migrating to big cities for employment, potentially leading to a shortage of farmers. But there's no need to worry. Chinese companies are designing drones that outperform humans in efficiency. Take the XAG P100 for instance, capable of spraying or spreading up to 280 kilograms of fertilizer on a single charge. The drone's precision is within a centimeter, and it can autonomously plan its route and navigate obstacles. You can also switch to manual control when needed. The company predicts that with such drones and similar solutions, we're gradually entering the era of agriculture 4.0. What other wonders await us there? Fences. Wondering why you'd need one? Well, they're cheaper than regular fences and more cost-effective, since they don't rot and wear out much slower. They're also easy to relocate. The company consistently enhances fence designs, minimizing the chance of short circuits. The eco-posts, crafted from recycled plastic, can easily endure a decade. Additionally, Gallagher Group uses turbo-line conductors, 40 times more conductive than standard ones. And of course, you can monitor the fence through their mobile app. It also takes care of soil milling and potato harvesting. Thanks to its compact design, it works seamlessly with mini tractors of 20 horsepower or more. Sellers assure quality performance even on overgrown virgin land. Take note of the harvesting mode's impressive operating speed of up to 10 km per hour, and the package includes the drive shaft.